We should start with the water pressure on the lower section.
Okay, I've secured the main hose. The rust up here needs careful attention. Connect the main hose line here.
All right, running it now.
This rust is deeper than we thought near the wheel well.
We'll need the specialized solvent before we apply any water.
The cables are secure.
I've got the water lines connected over here.
Looks good. Let's start the pressure test.
Look at that shine coming through.
Yeah, get that corner right there.
Get that section right there.
Yeah, I see it. This stuff is really caked on.
We're moving fast now. Keep it moving.
Look at that shine coming through the grime. We need to ensure the rust converter is applied here before primer.
Okay, I've updated the task list for tomorrow.
Panel aligned, ready for sealing.
Confirmed. The symmetry is perfect now.
Check the alignment here. Looks good. Weld it.
The alignment looks perfect here. Good, I'll secure the clamps. This vacuum is really powerful.
Yeah, look at the difference on this panel.
Secure this panel tightly.
All right, moving to the next section. Make sure the alignment is perfect.
Ensure the alignment is perfect on the starboard side.
Looks good from here. The new materials are fitting well.
A little more to the left. Keep it flush with the floor.
Perfect alignment now. I'll secure the bolts.
Align this edge perfectly.
Got it. Need the next panel here.
Watch the edge of the marble here.
We are clear. The alignment looks spot on.
Let's move the frame slightly to the left. Okay, I've marked the spot for the final placement.
That fits perfectly.
All right, next panel over here.
Start the activation sequence from the ceiling.
Okay, the floor lights are transitioning smoothly now.
Okay, powering up the system now.
The warm glow looks perfect, exactly as designed.
Align the panel here, making sure it's flush.
Okay, connecting the main power now. The lighting sequence is ready.
Check the voltage on line 3.
Looks stable. Go ahead and seal it up.
The screen alignment is critical here.
I'll secure the lower bracket.
We're almost ready for the final polish on the glass.
The bar unit is ready for the glass shelf.
Almost done wiping this section. Bring it over. Is the glass seated properly?
Yes, and the entertainment panel slides right in.
Align the panel flush with the edge.
Got it. Secure the top screws first.
Lift your side slightly.
Okay, right there.
Looks perfect. Looks perfect.
The reflection is stunning. We are finished with this section. Let's move the equipment. The shine is incredible. We just need to finish this corner. Watch the trim right there.
It's perfect.
The placement of the sculpture really balances the room.
Yes, and the lighting highlights the obsidian beautifully.
The quality check is complete. Everything meets the high-end standard.
Excellent work. I'll finalize the report now.
The ceiling panel alignment looks good now.
Yes, approved. The lighting calibration is also complete.
The alignment on the ceiling panels is precise.
And the wood grain matches the specifications exactly.
The motorized shades are functioning smoothly.
Next, for step 26,